Now, today I wanted to share with you a brand new 3D printer that is hitting the market that is going to yet again change the way we do 3D printing. Now, there are multiple 3D printers on the market that can support multiple filament types or colors for that matter. But this is the second printer that hit the market that is affordable and that actually has a multi-tool head system, and it's very similar to what we have seen with the Snapmaker. Now, we all know that Prusa has a very unaffordable solution on the market. And frankly, I have one and it doesn't work. So having something that is affordable, something that gives you the ability to, again, switch easily between filament and do it in a way that reduces waste is incredibly important. So let me show you what we have going on here because, again, this is going to be something that I think is going to make 3D printing super affordable. Now, this is the brand new product from FlashForge, and this is the Creator 5. And the cool thing about this is that they say that because of the zero waste feature, that it could accelerate what you do up to 500%. Now, keep in mind that that makes it faster than the Bamboo printers. It makes it faster than the Prusa printers. It makes it faster than the Creality printers because if you're doing multicolor prints, the amount of time it changes to switch from color to color takes some time. This is supposed to make it super fast. So before we go through the reserve, I just want to show you some of the features if you haven't heard about this printer yet. Now, the cool thing about this printer, as you can see, is that it has a decent build size. You're going to be able to have 4 rolls of filament, and then it has the multi-head changing solution that you saw Snapmaker launch. So this is very similar to what Snapmaker has, where every color is in a print head, and what ends up happening is as you switch colors, the print head comes out and it starts printing, so it doesn't have to do the purging process that you typically see with the standard printers that we see on the market. Now, what's going to happen is you'll be able to put in a $10 deposit that's going to be refundable. That $10 deposit is going to then allow you not to be, it's not going to be the order that you'll get it, right? You're not going to be first in line, second in line, or if you order it before anyone else orders it, that's not the benefit of the reservation. The reservation is about the savings. And what they're doing is you'll notice that there's different milestones, right? So if you basically if they're able to hit several milestones, meaning that people are going to continue to buy this, the printer can be as low as $649. And what I would say is if you look at what happened with Snapmaker, Snapmaker was one of the highest, I would say, what is it, from a Kickstarter perspective? It was one of the highest ranking Kickstarters outside of Eufy, who did like 47 million. But for the 3D printing space, it did incredibly well. I expect that this is going to do as well. So while right now you're basically going to be able to have this reservation, what I expect that this price is going to continue to drop as more people get on the program. Now, the Creator 5, like we talked, basically has 5 print heads, is going to be able to accelerate your work greatly. And the important thing about this is that the amount of poop, like this is what we know as a poop, is significantly reduced, almost to nothing. And we've seen this very effectively on the Snapmaker, which costs a fraction of the cost of a Bamboo, of a Prusa, like which is the other one that I was mentioning, and any other printer on the market. The other thing is you could see is because of that waste reduction and because it doesn't have to heat the nozzle, purge, and then clean the nozzle, you're going to see a significant speed up in print times. So your print time is going to be much, much faster, as you can see here. Look at all the savings here. So, traditional, right? Printers, 48 hours, 15 hours with the Creator 5. If you look at over here, and there's a lot of color changes here, you're looking at waste from a waste perspective. Look at how much waste, right? So you're using actually less material. Now, when you look at this number, I'm guessing right here that the 419 includes the waste. So you have 109 grams that is used for the actual print, but then you have over 310 grams that turns into waste. That's the big story here. So the volume, for those of you who are looking at the volume, is very similar to a Bamboo, 256 by 256 by 256. I wish it was larger. You have those 4 tool heads for 4 colors. Each one will have a color. And the print speeds are going to be from 600 millimeters a second with an acceleration of 30,000. Now, keep in mind this. These are great numbers. I have never been able to run my printers at the highest speeds. This is just, yes, it can go that fast, but you always sacrifice when you go too fast. So most printers have a sports mode. Like I'll tell you, like the FL Sun, great printers, by far the fastest printers on the market. But if you're not doing tubular things, the quality isn't as good as you'd like it to be, especially at the highest speed. So you have to slow them down to get the quality you want. This is definitely going to be something that we're going to be looking for. They claim to have great first layers. Remember, buyer beware. I have not reviewed this, so I'm just sharing with you based on my history with FlashForge that they typically come out with great products. So this is maybe something you want to consider for the price and then the capabilities. Multi-material, is going to be definitely capable. And then they've said that they've done significant testing. So I just wanted to share with you again everything that you could see here and why you may want to consider this. $10 deposit is not a bad thing. So all you have to do is hit the reserve button, and they're talking about being able to have these products out in no more than 2 to 3 months. So who know, you may have a printer in hand, by June, July timeframe. But again, we know how this industry works. Sometimes things get delayed. But here again are all the facts. 4 independent tool heads, the 256 by 256 by 256. They're going to have print heads that, again, the flow rate, you can see that here. Nozzle size, I don't see any other nozzle sizes, and that's what I was looking for. It looks like it only has a 0.4, so there is no 0.2 at this time or 0.6. Interesting. You get a nice display, and you can see here that it supports all those materials, including some of the exotic materials that we see here. And then they're touting again their print speed, Wi-Fi LAN, great. They're supporting Orca slicer, and then also the forked version that FlashForge is working on. And then you can see the printer size. So you know what? Let me know. Are you going to, are you going to go for this printer? Is this something that you're interested in? I think it's a great option. We've seen how successful SnapMaker has been. I'm really keen on getting my hands on this and testing it out myself. And I'll share with you my feedback. And you know what? I may also put in the deposit as well because it's cheap, right? It's just $10, right? And why not? And you're not in line, but you're going to be able to get the discount. And oh, by the way, the $10, let's go back to this for a second. I'll show you this. The $10 with tax is actually $10.88. So it's a little bit more than $10, but $10.88 to get a deposit, and to be able to get some savings is not a bad deal.